Good morning, everybody. I'm not sure why I gave you guys a 7:30 notification, but if you look at my scheduled next stream, it was at 9 a.m. and I have it right here under the title 9 a.m. Eastern Time. For some reason, it's scheduled for 7:30 a.m., but yeah, it's 9 a.m. every day. I'm not a morning person, so I don't want to wake up an hour before the market. But before we start anything, let's take a look at Aurora. So far, they're up 2.36% pre-market. So Aurora looks to be having a good morning. Let's take a look at Afria. Afria is up 2.3% pre-market. Canopy is down 0.66% pre-market. Hexo, I think that's the Canadian. Let's look at Chronos. Chronos is currently down 3.6%. So it's looking like it's going to be a bad morning for Chronos. Let's take a look at Hexo real quick. Hexo is up 1.18%. So far, Afria, Aurora, Canopy, and Hexo are in the green. Chronos seems to be in the red. Let's take a look at what else seems to be a red. Let's look at the FANG stocks right now. Let's look at Facebook, see how they're doing this morning. Facebook up 0.15%. Apple is up 0.92%. Amazon's up 0.72%. Netflix is up 0.87%. And this is all pre-market. Google is down 1.41%. So we seem to be having a pretty good morning. I'm going to check up on you, on your chat. So ACB, please. So Aurora seems to be having a green morning. Aurora right now is up. I just spoke about them, but I'll repeat them again because this is an Aurora live stream. Just kidding. So Aurora is up 2.36% pre-market right now. They seem to be doing good. They're up 822 American. So Aurora is having a good pre-market. It looks like we're gonna have another good green morning. We might have a green day, or we might have a green morning and see a decline throughout the day. But right now, Aurora seems to be having a good morning. So Kiran, I don't know if I could look at Kiran American, but yes, Kiran has been on fire lately. Let's look at Kiran real quick. So yeah, there's no pre-market on Kiran, but we'll find out once the market opens how Kiran's doing. But Kiran has been on fire. We could take a look at them right now. Market cap 138.5 million, shares 63.4 million. Right now, if we look at Kiran's technical analysis, it's a sell, a buy, and a strong buy. 1 minute for Kiran, it's a buy, a sell, and a strong sell. So let's see. This run will not last. Kron will drop $5. Yeah, Kron is currently having a red morning, so I won't be surprised to see Kron have a bad day today. But Kron is currently down on pre-market. Aurora and mostly all the other big marijuana companies are up. Oh wow, Kiran! This is a Kiran live stream. So yeah, let's just take a real quick look. I want to look at Aurora, what their technical analysis, everything is right now. ACB. So right now, pre-market, Aurora is up 2.36%. So Aurora is going to have a green morning. Let's look at their technical analysis. It's a sell, a buy, a strong buy. 1 minute is a sell, a buy, a buy. So Aurora is still looking. 5 minutes is a neutral buy and a strong buy. Aurora is looking good pre-market, up 2.5% pre-market. So we might just have another good morning. I'm gonna have a video for Aurora today. It's actually a pretty interesting video. I don't know if you guys like Motley Fool, but I'm gonna have a video prepared for Aurora. But Aurora's having a good morning. Good morning. How's Alifia doing? No, I don't think you could look at Alethea pre-market. No. Usually Alethea is actually up 6% pre-market. Alethea is doing good pre-market. So it looks like Alethea is gonna have. We're looking to have a good morning because Apple, most of the FANG stocks are up except Google. We have Aurora up. We have Kronos is down, but everything else is up. Afria is up. Hexo is up. Canopy is up. Alethea is up 6%. So Alethea seems to be our hot winner right now pre-market. We could look at other companies too. Let's see. Our big winner yesterday was Maxwell Technologies. They went up 52% pre-market, but today they're down 0.4% pre-market. It was expected that they had such a good morning. They had a very steady day. They were trading sideways, and they seem to be slightly downtrending, down 0.22%. I'm gonna check up on the chat real quick. So 50 people in the chat. Don't forget to leave me a like, guys. Everyone, just give me a quick little like. I'm gonna try to run everyone's CGC is down. Last time I checked, they were up Oh no, I think they were down 0.6%. Nothing too big. Canopy Growth has had a very nice run already. Yeah, Canopy Growth is down 0.44%, so it's not too bad when you compare that to Kron, who is down. Kron is currently down 0.28%. Afria is up 3.14%. I think Aurora continues to be up 3%, so Aurora keeps pushing forward. Hexo is up 1.18%. So the three companies that are up right now, Hexo, Afria, and Aurora, they're having a good morning right now. But Kron and Canopy seem to be down. Kron is down more than Canopy. So good morning, Mike, Juju, Kbev, maybe big winners this week with announcements. We could take a look at these companies. Sean Can pumping. How can you call it pumping with that chart that continues to go up, up, up? Kieran has been on fire. RTI. We're gonna take a look at everyone else. Good morning to Zane Gray. All just discovered investing hustler. Yes, Afria and Aurora are having good mornings today. Good morning, Mark Douglas, T-God as well. Okay, we could take a look at T-God. I'm just going to try to go through everyone's comments. We all know this will not last. Yes, I'm actually very curious as to how long this marijuana run would last, because it almost feels like we had a full month of green in the marijuana industry. Let's see if we can see T-God in the pre-market. So right now I can't see T-God in the pre-market. So, but we could take a look at their technical analysis. It's a neutral, a buy, and a strong buy. So that's the 1 day technical analysis. The 1 minute technical analysis, it's a buy. We're gonna find out how T-God does once the markets are open. So Juju and KBEV. Okay, let's look at RTI and then we'll look at Juju and KBEV. Let's try to do everything in order. RTI, Radiant Technologies. It's a Canadian company, so we're not going to see a pre-market. Wow, they just went up 41% yesterday. So they literally went from being a penny stock to now being a $1 stock. Let's look at their technical analysis real quick. So this is ticker symbol RTI, neutral, a buy, and a strong buy. The 1 day, the 1 minute is a buy, a strong buy, a strong buy. So it's currently a strong buy and a buy. Let's look at their market cap. $305 million market cap, $260 million, 260 million shares outstanding. The price to revenue and the price to sales is pretty high at 669, 649. Right now it is recommended to buy though, but this company, their valuations are not the greatest, but you never know. Right now all these companies seem to be pushing forward without having good valuations, so what can we do? So let's see what else you guys want to see. Juju and KBEV. Good morning, Mike. I think I already said good morning. T-God as well. Did I already checked out Alethea? Alethea is out up 6%. Let's take a look at Juju real quick. Juju International. So Juju is a penny stock. They had a good day yesterday, up 9%. Technical analysis for Juju is a sell, a buy, and a buy. 1 minute is a sell, strong sell. Juju's market cap 27 million. That's good. Shares 85 million. That's also good. Small amount of shares, small market cap. It's probably going to be very volatile. Price to sales 152. Not the greatest, but I do like their shares outstanding and their market cap. They do have a fairly small market cap, and they are recommended a buy in the. And on top of that, their 52-week range, they are near the bottom. So this is a decent penny stock, even though most penny stocks are a coin toss. So yeah, I guess we'll keep looking at Aurora, because Aurora seems to be pushing forward pre-market. Usually that means we're gonna have a good morning. Usually it might mean we're gonna have a good day, but as of now, Aurora is currently up 3.1% pre-market. So yes, Aurora is on fire pre-market. 3.1%. Aurora seems to be having a very good morning, and why not look at everything else? Afria is up 2.86% pre-market. Canopy is in the green now. Canopy is up pre-market 0.12% for Canopy. Hexo, I think I'm looking at the wrong Hexo. I might have to look at American Hexo. Hexo is currently up, let's see Hexo. Hexo is up 1.68% pre-market. Cron is the only one in the red today, which I'm not surprised because Cron has had a massive run. Cron is down 3.27%. So we have the big companies. Aurora, let's look at Tilray real quick. Let's see how Tilray is doing in pre-market today. Where is Tilray? I'm going to type them down. Tilray's up 2%. So it seems like the marijuana industry, all the companies that are doing good except Cronos. And I have made multiple videos stating where Cron is overvalued. So, okay, yeah, Liberty rocks. So good morning to all. You got Chew, CHOO, Liberty Health Sciences, baby. Organogram going to be huge. What's up? Four Seasons. Organogram is solid from 90 cents to 114. It's saying 120 pre-market. I mean, we could look at it. I don't know if I can. I would have to go maybe on yahoo.com, but that just takes that much more time. Oh no, that's not Organogram. I don't think we're. Yeah, I don't think I could look at Organogram pre-market because right now I only can find the Canadian ticker symbol. But Organogram right now is on fire, and they just had some pretty good news yesterday. They are a buy, and a strong buy. 1 minute Organogram's a neutral and a buy. So, hello, awake all ye nations. Let's look at CNPOF. You guys could call out some symbols if you want. We'll take a look at them. Yesterday, I had my viewers call out some pretty hot stocks. CNPOF. Pre-market, I don't see any movement. I don't think we can have a pre-market. CNPOF, market cap 669 million. Shares outstanding 166 million. Price to earnings ratio, that's not bad, 12.7. Price to book, 3.5. So it's not a bad company. Let's look at their 1 year charts. How far along are they? It's kind of tough to say because they're kind of in the middle of their 1 year charts. So they can easily drop down to $1.50. They can easily push forward past $6. But they do have a fairly decent P ratio. Not too many shares outstanding, but their market cap is at 669 million. This is a pharmaceutical company. I guess we're looking at Canopy Rivers. Yeah, Canopy Rivers has had a tough run since its IPO. I think it's maybe about time it pushes forward. It has had a nice run since December 26th, it looks like. So Canopy Rivers maybe looking to make good moves. They have big news today. Are you talking about how have you risked some money on the last day? I'm not gonna lie, I have risked some money on the Maste, but it is a very high risk investment right now, especially after all the news that got released on Namaste and their CEO getting fired. So I would not recommend anyone to buy Namaste unless you set a stop loss, unless you know exactly. Aurora actually will not go low today. Aurora right now is on fire pre-market. Aurora seems to be up 3% pre-market. We'll stay up to date with Aurora because they seem to be doing a lot of movement in the pre-market, and Aurora is up 3.1%, oh no, 2.9% pre-market right now. So it looks like we're going to have a green morning. Perhaps we're going to have a green day, but as of now, it's a green morning. We might have a green morning and then a red afternoon, but right now it's looking green. Afria is also up in the pre-market. Afria is having a good morning. It seems like the only marijuana company that's doing red right now is Kronos, and that's for good reason. Afria is up 1.6% pre-market. Let's just look at all these companies again. So Hexo is currently up 1.85% pre-market. Kronos is down 4.2% pre-market, 4.39% pre-market now. So Kronos is looking to have a bad morning, maybe a bad day. Aurora is currently up 2.86% pre-market. Afria is up 1.86% pre-market. Canopy is up 0.04 pre-market. So barely any movements for Canopy. They're kind of floating in between red and green right now. Did we take a look at Hexo? Yes, we did. So let's try to catch up with all you guys. NBEV, did you discuss it yet? We could take a look at NBEV real quick. I'm trying to do everyone's request. 14 minutes till the market's open, guys. Let's look at New Age Beverages. New Age Beverages also in the green, 0.83% pre-market. Aleafia is also having a good pre-market. Aleafia, oh man, what happened? I think I had them, but now can't see them pre-market. So no, I can't see them right now. I might have to find their other ticker symbol. I found you all. You're all where I need to be. Well, good morning, everyone. Let's crush it today. Yes, Shivet, Ketostatic, Befanifi. I'm sorry, I probably said that wrong, but good morning. Medman, let's take a look at Medman. I'm not sure if we could look at their pre-market right now. I don't. Medman, let's see. Medman Enterprises. No movement for Medman. I might have to go on a different site to find them, but I just want to keep it on this site right now. It's just more simpler. Yep, they are up but downward trending. Yeah, that's why I said we might have a good morning and then follow with the red with the red day. But as of now, pre-market, all these companies are up. What do you think about Liberty Science? I think we just I can give you a quick analysis on Liberty Science. Liberty Science. So if you guys have any new companies you want to bring up, you want me to analyze real quick, we're just quickly analyzing companies. So Liberty Science, penny stock. Let's look at their technical analysis. It's a buy, a strong buy right now for Liberty Sciences. The 1 minute is a buy, a strong buy, and a strong buy. So right now it's looking good for them. Market cap 297, shares outstanding 342 million. I just don't like the price to sales. Price to sales is very high at 645. Even their price to book is 56, but technical analysis says it's a buy. Right now it's I would say it's a coin toss. It has a potential to go above $1, so you could make some pretty decent coin, but it also has the potential to drop back down to 60 cents. It seems to have a support at around 60 cents and a resistance at about $1.10. So right now it's a coin toss. They're sitting at 88 cents, so invest with caution, but technical analysis recommends it a buy. So we got 79 people in the live stream. Good morning, everyone. Don't forget to leave me a like, guys. Just a quick little thumbs up really helps with my live streams. Why is Oxley performing so bad? Yeah, XLY has been trading sideways. I actually have a few XLY shares, but I'm not sure. I'm not worried about Oxley. They are a strong company. They will recover. That's the attitude. Namaste is a scam. That was run by a criminal. Well, if you're talking about the CEO, at least he was fired, and hopefully someone better is put in his place. Sorry, guys. I had trouble waking up this morning. They have big news today. Who has big news today? Charlotte. How low will it go today? Will Oxley share prices ever go up? I think in the long run they're gonna go up, especially if the marijuana industry continues to push forward. We've seen Oxley go up as high as $1.40. Why don't we look at Oxley financials and their technical analysis in the meantime? So XLY, Oxley Cannabis. So right now they're 94 cents, which they have been moving up, because I feel like at one point you could see right here they were as low as 60 cents. So it's not like Oxley hasn't moved up, but if you compare them to their highs of $1.50, or in the past when they were as high as like $2, obviously it feels like Oxley's doing very bad. But Oxley has a lot of potential to grow. They're near the bottom of their 52-week low. They've been all the way up to $2 in the past. Let's look at their technical analysis. Their technical analysis is a neutral, a buy, and a buy. 1 minute technical analysis is a buy and a strong buy plus a neutral. Shares outstanding 565 million, 569 market cap. I don't really like their market cap or their shares outstanding, and their price to sales is very bad. 413 price to book ratio, price to revenue 63. Their financials are not the greatest. But I do think Oxley will eventually push over $1. So we have 9 minutes till the market's open. So yeah, I think Fred, I think you've seen me discuss NBEV or not yet. Afria is up in the pre-market right now. We'll review all these companies one more time. So Aurora is up in the pre-market. Afria is currently up in the pre-market. So Aurora is up 2.86% pre-market. Afria is up 1.48% pre-market. Canopy, let's see, Canopy is down 0.28% pre-market. And but also Kronos is having a bad pre-market. Kronos is now down 4.34%. So it's looking like we're going to have a bad day, or they might rebound. Kronos might have a bad morning and they might rebound. But right now, pre-market, Kronos seems to be having a bad morning. There are my 5 actual holdings: Chiron, Organigram, Liberty Health, Ianthus, and Believe. So you're heavily invested in the marijuana industry. What do you think about Liberty Science? I think I answered your question already. If not, just let me know. I'm gonna go to the bottom, see what everyone's saying. TGOD, TRVN, and TGOD. We'll try to look at those 2 companies real quick. TRVN. Trevina. Is that the company you wanted to talk about? So Trevina, there's no pre-market right now. Trevina's up 5.36%. So TRVN is doing good in the pre-market. They're up 5.36%. Let's look at their technical analysis. It's a buy, and a strong buy for their technical analysis. Their 1 minute is a neutral buy and a strong buy. They have very nice market cap, 103 million market cap, 82 million shares outstanding, which I like to see. Price to revenue 18. That's a very nice, decent price to revenue. Price to book is a 2. I like this company, and it looks like it's gonna have a good morning. They seem to be on a very nice run. I like right here how in the charts there's a gap down, because usually when you see a gap down, they make up for that gap. So it's going to fill in that gap, which it seems to be doing right now. Yesterday we had a very green day. Today it looks like they're going to have a green morning. So they might just be filling in that gap right now. This is so far my favorite company that you guys have called out. So TGOD. Let's look at TGOD. I already reviewed them, but we'll review them real quick. Again, I don't have any pre-market for them, at least I don't think. Let's see. Yeah, no movement pre-market. Let's look at their technical analysis real quick. It's a neutral, a buy, and a strong buy. A buy. So TGOD is a buy right now, according to technical analysis. but you can never bet your money on technical analysis. 257 million shares outstanding, market cap of 778 million, price to book 9.3. They're okay financials. TGAR right now is a coin toss, but they are near the bottom of their 52-week low. Alethea is a great buy. Yes, Alethea seems to be doing very well right now. Especially, let's take a look at them again. Alethea. So Alethea, I think they were up 6% last time I checked pre-market. So Alethea is up 6% in the pre-market. Alethea is doing really good right now in the pre-market. Technical analysis is a sell, a buy, and a strong buy. So Alethea is doing great. 5 minutes before the before the markets open, guys. Let's look at IMLFF real quick. If I miss your guys' symbols, I'm sorry. I was reading the chat yesterday, and someone kept asking me 48 North, and it's not like I was ignoring him on purpose. It's hard to keep up sometimes. So shares 170 million, market cap 102 million. It's fairly decent. Neutral buy and a strong buy in the 1 day. 1 minute is also a neutral buy and a strong buy. Let's look at their price to book is at 4.9. 52-week range. Let's see. They are near the bottom, so they have been making a nice run. I feel like they have a little more room for upside versus downside, but they have been on a nice run. So let's see how long that run lasts. Right now, I say it's a good coin toss. I would say it's a little better than 50-50. They are a penny stock though, so penny stocks are always risky. So you are an inspiration to us all. Thank you, Neurosis. You are truly a gentleman. I don't know what to say. Oh, we got Cyber World. Look like cannabis stocks are falling back. Well, as of now, we're gonna have a green morning, but they might have a red day. Because right now Aurora is up in the pre-market. Canopy is down, but Aurora is up in the pre-market. So we might have a green morning, and then we might have a downfall after. Aurora is up 2.24% in the pre-market, but they have fallen down a bit. I sold my Afra and ACB. I'll be holding to T-God for a breakout. So you sold all your Afria shares. Right now, Afria is currently up in the pre-market as well. Let's take a look at Afria in the pre-market real quick. So in the pre-market right now, Afria, where are you? Oh yeah, Afria did go down. They're only up 0.46. So now we're seeing a pullback. Pre-market, we're seeing a slight little pullback. Let's look at Hexo. Hexo's up 0.84. Kronos is down 5.1%. So Kronos keeps going lower and lower. So right now, pre-market, these companies have taken a little dip, 2.3% for Aurora. Have you heard of TRUV, Two Rivers? I could take a look at them real quick. We have 3 minutes till the markets open. 93 people in the chat room. Don't forget to give me a like, guys. A quick little thumbs up. It really helps. Let's try to look at TRV. I think it was Two Rivers. Two Rivers. Let's look at them real quick. They're a penny stock. No pre-markets. Technical analysis, a neutral, a buy, and a buy. 1 minute, it's a sell, sell, sell. Shares outstanding, 34 million. Market cap, wow. So this is a very small cap, small amount of shares diluted, and right now they seem to be near the bottom of their 52-week low. Price to sales 8.8. For a penny stock, I like this stock. It's near the bottom of their 52-week range, and they have a very small amount of shares outstanding and a very small market cap. This is also one of my favorite companies that you guys have brought up today. I like their financials, TURV. So you guys could add that to your watch list. It's 2 minutes till the markets open. Kindly ask for a follow-up video. TRVN. ACB, they're doing okay in the pre-market. They were doing a lot better earlier, but right now ACB looks like they're declining in the pre-market. So we might see a slight green morning and then see it red throughout the day. Right now it's very hard to tell. Let's look at ACB. 2 minutes low. So ACB is still in the green pre-market, 2.24%. but they were up 3 point. See, now they're declining. ACB is at 1.9%. Now they're back up to 2.4 in the pre-market. So it's very unpredictable what might happen. Yes, everyone have a great day. It's almost time for the markets to open. Oh, come on. TRVN. Let's try to look at them real quick. 2 minutes till the markets open, guys. Maybe I should start these a little earlier because I feel like I'm always rushing at the end to get in last second. Oh no, I think TRVN, I already reviewed them. They're up 5.2% pre-market. Trevina is doing very good in the pre-market. I already reviewed them earlier. They're a buy, and a strong buy. So it's 9:30, guys. I hope you guys have a good morning. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and good luck in your pre-market. Hopefully we see a green day. I'll see you guys next time, okay? Bye-bye.